Hey you, let me show you how to enable or disable cover screen mirroring on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's get started. Let's enable cover screen mirroring, but notice that settings is here on the left side on the home page. And now when I will unfold my phone, there is no settings on the home page. So just remember this thing. Let's just open settings and then go in the home screen tab. After this, you'll be able to see this cover screen mirroring option. You can enable it if you want to use the same layout on your cover and main screens. So let's just tap on option and apply it. And now you can see the settings on the left side like it was when I have folded my phone, like this. So everything is mirroring now. And if you just disable it by tapping off option, then it will get back to normal. So just choose whatever option you like most and apply the changes. And that's it. Hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.